The echo of the first word. In cradle song, the tongue begins its weave, a thread of sound that binds the soul to place. Each word a breath the heart can scarce believe, emerging soft yet shaping time and space. What is this voice that births our inward sight, that molds the self before the world takes hold? A compass drawn by roots, by ancient light, whose whispers tell of tales both new and old. The mother tongue, a mirror of the soul, reflects the truths of who we've come to be. Its syllables can mend or rend the whole, unfolding bonds of shared humanity. In every sound a universe resides, the tongue's first echo, where all love abides.